So if you want to make a ring from yarn, you need some string or scissors, a pair of scissors, something to measure with, so this would be optimal, a caliper, some baking paper where the glue doesn't stick to as much, some glue. One package should suffice. It's 2 grams, but what you also need is some kind of rod where you put the string around, and the size of the rod should be the size of your finger, not exactly but somewhat related. If you know your ring size, you can look up your diameter, and the thing you use should be a little bit, just maybe 3 or 4 tenths of a millimeter bigger than what you're aiming for in the inner diameter of your target size. So if you don't have a rod that's exactly the size you need, you can put some tape around it to slightly increase the size. I did that here also. I start by putting some of this. Whatever you put down first will be your band color. So yeah, just I put down dry. First, to get a strong ring, you need to work in layers, right? So I put down all this, and it, don't touch it. On a lot of surfaces you can't get it back. So I do a little bit more of this color, and that should be enough for my taste anyway. You can do more or less, whatever you want. So with that, then I want to glue white. Here it would be handy to touch it, and I did. And so I came back, and it's pretty dry, so you should be able, but I am not, This never happened to me, I swear. There it goes. And also you can, while you have the knife, clean up the edges. There you can look as much as you want off of here. This stage is pretty easy to work with. When you have already some codes on there, it's not that easy to sustain. So I turned it off right now, but it can dry there. Now the ring is pretty much finished. I just have to coat it like 3 times on the outside, 3 times on the inside, and 2 times on the edges. I do 2 times on the outside, 2 times on the inside, then the edges, and then one last coat on the outside, one last coat on the inside, something like this. You can do more or less, whatever. I did the inside, and now I can turn it around so there is not a proud side. If I would try it like this, there would be like a droplet here, but if you turn it, that doesn't happen. But the proud side and the underside doesn't really matter. Then you lay it down like this on something that isn't really important. I just did the edge, and yeah, well, I just lay it flat like this, and yeah. After that I turn it around, give it a little bit of a sandpapering, and then we'll turn it around, do the other edge, give it a little bit of sandpapering, then do all the sides the second time, and then it should be good. So now I have done almost all the layers, and you could do more inside when you wanted to make it a little bit smaller. If I wanted to, kind of fits, but a little bit more would be better. A few like tenths of a millimeter are totally possible. So now I give it a rough sand, and then one more layer or 2 or whatever, depends on what's necessary, but I will do just 1 layer. So I just now finished sanding, well, rough sand, and now comes the rest of just 1 more coat, like I showed before, and then it's polishing time.